Hey guys, my name is Nikki and I want to welcome you here to Carry Grace. Alright, so today we are on day number 12 and this is my journey through the Flylady's 31 baby steps. Okay, so we're going to keep today's video nice and short. I'm going to remind you that you need to do your morning routine, you need to do your evening routine. If you are not sure what is included in that, watch yesterday's video. I will leave a link down below so that you can find it very quickly because I went through the whole routine and then I added some pictures, and so that's how we're going to do that so that we can keep this video short. The baby step that we are going to do today for day number 12 is we are going to declutter our inbox, our email. I don't know if you check your email on your phone or your computer. I don't know if you have one email address or 10 different email addresses, but there's a good chance that you need to go through them and delete some things. All right, so the first thing that the Flylady says to do is to go to your email address and delete all of your Flylady emails. Okay, delete all your Flylady emails. I didn't say that, she said that, and I'm guessing that if you're getting those emails, it's a lot. Go ahead and delete them because you can find all of that information on her website if you want to. Once you've done that, I want you to take a few more minutes and just kind of go through your emails quickly. Maybe there are some things that you need to unsubscribe from. Maybe you're getting some daily emails from stores that you don't actually shop at, or newsletters that you've signed up for but you don't actually open. Open one of those emails, go down to the bottom and check the unsubscribe button. It will save you a lot of clutter in your inbox. Okay, I do this pretty regularly. The other thing you can do real quick is just kind of scan your emails. Maybe you can search by name if there's, like, say a store that you know you get a zillion emails from. Check all of those, delete them, bam, they're gone. One thing that I like to do, because I have a lot of emails that come in daily, and if I don't stay on top of them, it's a mess. Every time I open my email, I try to go ahead and just delete a bunch kind of all at once. Now there's a lot of emails, and I know you're thinking, why do you delete a bunch all at once? There's a lot of emails that I am subscribed to because they send good coupons. Now I don't shop frequently, but I do try to shop when I'm going to get a good deal on something. So if there's something specific that I want and know that I need, or know that my kids are going to need, I try to wait until I can get a good deal on it. So for that reason, I still get a lot of emails from places that I shop. I don't shop a lot, but when I do shop, I like to get the biggest bang for my buck. So you just kind of have to prioritize and do what's going to be best for you. So what I do is every day when I open my email, sometimes it's a couple times a day, I'll just take a handful and just check, delete, and then it doesn't ever get overwhelming. All right, guys, that is baby step number 12. Go delete your Flylady emails and then spend a little bit of time deleting some emails. Don't get bogged down doing this. Do not do this for an hour. Set your timer for 10 minutes, 5 minutes, 15 minutes, whatever you have. Set your timer and just clear it out, and then stay on top of it. All right, thanks so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed today's video. If you're new to my channel and not already subscribed, please consider subscribing, and then come back tomorrow for day number 13.